As the world's largest Ford dealer group, Trust Ford offers great choice when it comes to selecting your commercial vehicle. All commercial vehicles at Trust Ford are prepared by our highly skilled technicians who carry out extensive multi-point checks on your vehicle. To find out more, you can ask for a video appointment with one of our commercial vehicle experts, during which they'll explain everything you need to know to help you make your decision. And you can secure your selected vehicle online with Choose It Now. And if you like, we'll arrange everything, including your bespoke funding solution and part exchange in advance. Our finance offers are tailored to match your requirements. Whether you use our click and collect service or prefer to book a one-to-one appointment in advance, with Trust Ford Now, you can choose it, buy it and drive it away on the same day. Visit us today. Go to trustford.co.uk for your nearest transit centre. Finance subject to status.